To get a Revolut payment link, you need to have a Revolut account. If you don't have one, sign up for Revolut and go through the verification process. Once your account is set up, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Payments tab. Click on the Send button and then select Request. You will see an option to request money from someone or get a payment link. Choose the Get Payment Link option. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you want to receive in the currency. Enter the details and click Next. You will then see a payment link that you can share with others. This link can be shared via social media, messaging apps, or email. When someone clicks on the link, they will be taken to a page where they can enter their payment details and send you the money. Make sure to only share the payment link with people you trust, as anyone with the link can send you money. Also, be aware that Revolut may charge a small fee for receiving payments, depending on the type of account you have and the currency you are receiving. To increase the chances of getting paid, make sure to clearly communicate the amount and purpose of the payment to the person sending you the money. You can also add a note to the payment link to provide more context. By following these steps, you can easily get a Revolut payment link and start receiving payments from others. Remember to always follow best practices for sharing payment links and be mindful of any fees associated with receiving payments.